Hello, my name is Dr. Reggie Tucker Seeley, Vice President of Health Equity at Zero, the End of Prostate Cancer. It is my pleasure to announce the winner of Zero's Equity Advocacy Award. The selection of the Health Equity Awards is conducted by Zero's Health Equity team with input from our Health Equity Task Force and Zero staff and partners. The selection for the Health Equity Advocacy Award was based on leadership in moving legislation forward that directly impacts the prostate cancer community. In consultation with our government relations team here at Zero, the selection of Representative La Shawn K of Illinois was based on his work to pass legislation in Illinois that removes financial barriers for men seeking prostate cancer screening. This legislation requires insurers to cover prostate cancer screenings in Illinois and is an important step in removing barriers men face to get screened for prostate cancer. We are honored to present Zero's Health Equity Advocacy Award to Representative La Shawn K. Now we want to give Representative La Shawn K an opportunity to say a little bit about what motivates his work on health disparities and health equity in prostate cancer. Representative K.
Thank you very much, Dr. Seeley, and for all your work. And I have to tell you, it's such an honor to be working with you and Zero, the End of Prostate Cancer. So thank you for all the work you do to help America and internationally for the world to get to zero as it relates to prostate cancer in men. And I also want to say thanks to my good friend, Ali Manson. I became good friends with her over the course of the work that we've done to work in Illinois to get to zero in Illinois to pass House Bill 5318. And so also, thank all of the families, men, women, and children that have been in the fight, even when you're not directly impacted by prostate cancer. It's the work that you're doing, the efforts that you put forth that make it possible for us to continue to work to get to zero in prostate cancer in the world that we live in. So I'm pleased to accept and be the winner of the 2022 Zero Health Equity Advocacy Award in recognition of our partnership to work to get to zero in Illinois as it relates to prostate cancer awareness. The work that we've done in Illinois with Zero, the end of prostate cancer, has led to a fantastic new law, House Bill 5318, now known as Public Act 102-1073, is the law of the land because of the work that Zero, the End of Prostate Cancer, has done in our great state to pass this legislation into law. I want to thank Zero for bringing me this legislation and helping pass it in the House and the Senate into law and getting the governor to sign it. And now it's known as Public Act 102-1073. And because of the work of Zero and the members in Illinois' General Assembly, beginning in 2024, men in Illinois will have the broadest access to early screening and diagnosis without out-of-pocket costs compared to any other state in the country. The disproportionate impact of prostate cancer on African-American men is due primarily to the difference in access to screening and care and the removal of cost barriers to screening, and the tools for diagnosis is the first step to ensuring that men are diagnosed with prostate cancer at the most treatable stage. And so I'm proud to be a partner with you, Dr. Seeley, and Zero to end prostate cancer deaths in Illinois. And so I will continue to work in Illinois to make sure that as many people that need to know about the fact that we passed the law and it is now the law of the land and barriers have been broken down due to our partnership will know about it. I'm proudly wearing this honor as a recipient of the 2022 Zero Health Equity Advocacy honoree. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Representative Ford, for this legislation, and congratulations to you and to the citizens of Illinois. So after this really big monumental legislation, what's next for you?
I think it's so very important that we recognize that in Illinois, 1,160 men will lose their lives due to the prostate cancer alone in Illinois. We have to reduce that. And I believe that it's my job to not just pass this bill, but to continue to be your partner and to continue to work with Zero, the end of prostate cancer in Illinois, to make sure that everyone knows that you no longer have barriers to getting screened. So it's my responsibility to make sure that we carry this law and make sure that everyone knows about it so that they can be screened, so that they can prevent prostate cancer deaths.
Well, Representative Ford, we at Zero thank you for your prostate cancer health equity efforts, and we look forward to our continuing partnership to bring an end to prostate cancer.
Well,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Tucker-Seeley, I just want you to know I'm a survivor, and this bill and this law and the work that we're doing together touches me, and I look forward to continue to carry the message. Thank you.